Γεια σας! Καλώς ήρθατε και πάλι στο κανάλι μου. Είμαι η Αλεξάνδρα και είμαι η δασκάλα του Do You Speak Greek. Are you struggling to use the personal pronouns in Greek? Don't you know when we use mu and when we use this me? Keep watching this video. So today I'm gonna teach you how to use the weak type of personal pronoun in genitive case and in accusative case. I mean that when we use this mu and when we use this me. For example, could we say μου δίνεις το μολύβι, you give me the pencil, or με δίνεις το μολύβι, and why? Watch this video till the end and write to the comments below any question you might have, because for the next week we'll have a test for practicing all of this. There's been a battle between South Greece and North Greece about these types, because in North Greece it's very common to use the accusative type of personal pronoun. I mean this me means me or to me, se means you or to you, ton means him or to him, and tin means her or to her. But in South Greece, people usually use the genitive type of personal pronoun. I mean this mu, su, tu, and tis. The problem is with singular number because there are two types of weak personal pronoun, the genitive and the accusative. In plural, we use only the accusative case. I mean this mas means us or to us, this sas means you or to you, and for them we have three types. We have one for masculine, this tus, one for feminine, tis with iota, and for neuter we have this ta. The researchers end up that both are correct, because both can be used like objects in the sentence. In Greek language we can have the object in accusative case and in genitive case too, never in nominative. I made two videos about nominative and accusative case. I left the link in the description box. And also in ancient Greek there was one more case, the dative case, to declare the object of the verb. For example, λέγω si used to mean σου λέω or σε λέω, as we say here in Thessaloniki. And it means I tell you or I say to you. But because there's no dative in modern Greek, it was necessary to replace it with another case, a genitive or accusative, never nominative, because nominative is the case of the subject. So in the beginning, dative was replaced by accusative, but then also genitive was used. In Istanbul and in northern Greece, the accusative case prevailed, and in South Greece, in islands in Peloponnese, the genitive. So today the genitive case is common because when the philologists wrote the official language of the country, they preferred the language was spoken in the independent Greece. Because about 1850 Thessaloniki and North Greece wasn't Greek yet. And now let's go to explain when we use genitive and when we use the accusative. So we have two kinds of verbs. Τα μονόπτωτα ρήματα are the verbs that takes only one object. For example, ανοίγω την πόρτα. Ανοίγω την πόρτα. I open the door. The verb is ανοίγω and the object in accusative is the word την πόρτα. So I can find the object in the sentence if I ask what or to whom. And here it is ανοίγω την πόρτα. What do I open? The door. Την πόρτα. And now I'm going to use the personal pronoun to declare the object. I mean that I want to say I open it. Because the word porta, I porta, is feminine in Greek, I need to say something like I open her, not it. And in English, we use the personal pronoun after the verb. I mean, I open it. This it is after the verb. But in Greek, we need to use the personal pronoun before the verb. So I would say, την ανοίγω. I open her, it. Την ανοίγω. So usually when we have only one object and this object is a weak type of personal pronoun, it's an accusative. Let's see one more example. Είδα τον Νίκο. Είδα τον Νίκο. I saw Nikos. This τον Νίκο here is our object. Now if I want to use the personal pronoun, I would say τον είδα. I saw him. Τον είδα. This ton is the weak type of personal pronoun in accusative, of course, for masculine. Another example. Βλέπω εσένα. Βλέπω εσένα. I see you. Now this word εσένα is the strong type of personal pronoun. The strong type of personal pronoun comes always after the verb, not before, like the weak type. So if I want to use the weak type, and it's most common to use the weak type in Greek, I would say σε βλέπω, σε βλέπω, I see you. But also there are some other verbs that accept two objects. We call them δίπτωτα ρήματα, τα δίπτωτα ρήματα. For example, δίνεις το βιβλίο στον Νίκο. You give the book to Nikos. The first object in this sentence is the word το βιβλίο, and of course it's in accusative, and we called it direct object. The direct object in Greek is always in accusative, and the other object is the words στον Νίκο, and this is the indirect object. We have the indirect object in Greek like this, the preposition σε plus a noun in accusative case, στον Νίκο. But also we could use as indirect objects the personal pronouns in genitive. So how could we say you give the book to him? In Greek it would be του δίνεις το βιβλίο. Του δίνεις το βιβλίο. So if you want to translate this to someone, usually it is genitive case. And another example. Φέρνω νερό στη μητέρα. Φέρνω νερό στη μητέρα. I bring water to the mother. And again here we have two objects. The first object, the direct object, is the water, το νερό, and of course it's in accusative. And the second, it is the word στη μητέρα. This στη μητέρα is the indirect object, and we have again the preposition σε plus the noun in accusative case. And now let's do it with the pronouns. How would it be I bring to her water? It would be like της φέρνω νερό. Της φέρνω νερό. You need to know that in North Greece you can hear this τι φέρνω νερό. Τι φέρνω νερό. It means again I bring to her water, but it's very common here in Thessaloniki and in North Greece to use accusative instead of genitive. And also we say τον δίνω το βιβλίο. Τον δίνω το βιβλίο. I give the book to him. Accusative again instead of genitive. And what if we have two personal pronouns? I mean, if we want to say I give it to him, and when I say it, I mean the book. Λοιπόν, in this case, we need to keep the genitive case for the person, this to, and the word το βιβλίο is replaced by the weak type of personal pronoun in accusative, this το, because the word το βιβλίο is neuter to me, so I need the neuter type of personal pronoun. And it is του το δίνω, του το δίνω. First the person in genitive, second the thing in accusative, and then the verb. Του το δίνω. I give it to him. And let's go to another example. Λέω στη Μαρία το μυστικό. Λέω στη Μαρία το μυστικό. I say to Maria the secret. So first, I'm going to make this στη Maria like to her, and I'm going to use the personal pronoun. So it would be της λέω το μυστικό. Remember, when we have this στη Maria, we need genitive case. And then let's do the word το μυστικό like it. We want to say, I say it to Maria. So in Greek it would be της το λέω, της το λέω. And now I wanted to talk about another verb. It's not so common, but it's in this category. The verb χρωστάω. Χρωστάω means I owe something to someone. So here, in this case, we can use two objects and we can say μου χρωστάει την αλήθεια. Μου χρωστάει την αλήθεια. He or she owes me the truth. And we have this μου as indirect object and the word την αλήθεια as the direct object. With two personal pronouns here, we would say μου την χρωστάει. Μου την χρωστάει. He or she owes it to me. But because the word η αλήθεια for me is a feminine noun, I need to use this την here. I mean the feminine type of personal pronoun. And for now, let's see some more tricky verbs that despite the fact they accept one object, this object is in genitive and not in accusative, as I said before. First of all, I have the verb αρέσει, αρέσουν. You know this verb means I like. I made a video about this verb, you'll find it up here. So let's go to an example. Του αρέσει το αυτοκίνητό μου. Του αρέσει το αυτοκίνητό μου. This too is the object in genitive case and the word το αυτοκίνητό μου is the subject and the subject always in Greek it is in nominative case. Another example. Του αρέσουν οι μπανάνες. Του αρέσουν οι μπανάνες. And here we have the plural number of the verb. To again the object and οι μπανάνες is the subject in nominative. Another verb is the verb αξίζει, αξίζουν in plural and it means worth. For example, σου αξίζει η αγάπη, you worth love. Σου is the object in genitive despite the rule and η αγάπη is in nominative, that's why it's the subject. And in plural, σου αξίζουν τα καλύτερα. Σου αξίζουν τα καλύτερα. You worth the best. This σου, again, is the object in genitive and the word τα καλύτερα in nominative as the subject. Another verb is the verb ανήκει or ανήκουν in plural. Ανήκει means I own something, I possess something, something belongs to me. And an example, της ανήκει η μισή Θεσσαλονίκη. Της ανήκει η μισή Θεσσαλονίκη. She owns the half of Thessaloniki. And in plural, της ανήκουν αυτά τα βιβλία. Της ανήκουν αυτά τα βιβλία. These books belong to her. Next I have the verb χρειάζεται, χρειάζονται, means need. And an example, μου χρειάζεται ένα καινούριο ποδήλατο. Μου χρειάζεται ένα καινούριο ποδήλατο. I need a new bicycle. And in plural, μου χρειάζονται αυτά τα παπούτσια. Μου χρειάζονται αυτά τα παπούτσια. I need these shoes. This μου, again, is the object in genitive and τα παπούτσια in nominative, the subject. Let's go to see some more verbs. Σου μιλάω, σου μιλάω, I talk to you. Or μου μιλάς, you talk to me. Σου χαμογελάω, σου χαμογελάω, I smile to you. Or μου χαμογελάς, μου χαμογελάς, you smile to me. Μου βρωμάει, μου βρωμάει means it stinks to me. And another verb is μου βρίσκεται or σου βρίσκεται του βρίσκεται, etc. And it means something like I have. For example, μήπως σου βρίσκεται λίγη ζάχαρη? Μήπως σου βρίσκεται λίγη ζάχαρη? Maybe do you have some sugar? Another verb is μου μοιάζεις. Μου μοιάζεις means you look like to me. Or σου μοιάζω. Σου μοιάζω means I look like you. Of course, there are more verbs, but for you I think maybe it's easier if you translate this to him, or to her, or to me, or to you, etc. This is the genitive case in Greek. I hope the lesson was helpful. If it was, give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because there we learn Greek every day. Also, I left to the comments below a quiz for you with these personal pronouns. Try to answer it. If you want to learn more about Greece, Greek history, Greek mythology, subscribe to Alpha Omega's channel. I've left the link in the description box. Εμείς τα λέμε στο επόμενο μάθημα. Γεια σας!